Ricky. 500 peso bill. 3 winners in 5, 4, 3. Ayan, turn on your seat na ba? Alright, yung mga ATM cards ko bawal ito po later. Sige, take mo na $100. Ayan, take na po pa. Ayan, huwag yun mo muna bibigay. Alright, for the last item, Ronald McDonald says, welcome, Ricky. The owners of this 500 peso bill. Ayan, yung mga may-ari po. Ayan, nasa po yung dalawa ba ba? Ayan, I have 3 na 500 peso bill. Ano naman? Ano naman po isa? McDonald says, sit down. Get the cup. Ayan, mali. Alright. Not yet. Ayan, ang rules po is, kailangan sabihin ko na Ronald McDonald says, get that cup. Okay? Sa lahat po ng mga cup, sila po yung winner. Ayan. Kailangan po kasing sabihin Ronald McDonald says, okay? Ayan, sino po yung mga walang cup? Ayun. Congrats! Nakikinig sa instruction. Nasabay. And congrats! Alright, let's actually start, okay? Ronald McDonald says, group yourselves into 2. Alright, everyone has a partner na ba? Okay, the actual game is called Get That Cup, okay? Kasi sino po yung ka-partner nyo? Face your partner lang po, just like this. And face your partner, dito po tayo. Ayan, face your partner, then put a space po. Ayan, address po natin. Face your partner din. Face kuya, face ate. Ayan, stay in line. Alright, very good. Ayan. Alright.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Oreya.
Mabilis po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Everybody!
Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Dahil kailangan nyo na masabi, pili po kayo ng dalawa na po backup. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, bawal nang umasa sa Christmas. Ayun. At nabati po si Mami na nakabili. Happy birthday to Alright, so there you may now blow your candle and make a wish. Alright, sabay-sabay natin batiin sa din ang happy birthday in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Ordea! Alright, message lang po ni Mommy and Daddy.
Hello. You may take your seats na po. Message ko lang. I hope na paglaki mo mag-aral ka maigi and susuportahan niyo namin kahit anong gusto mo sa buhay, anak. We love you.
Hello. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Ang wish ko po kay Ordea ay sana maging mabait na bata, maging masunurin sa magulang, magsipag sa pag-aaral, at higit sa lahat, lumaking may takot sa Diyos. Para paglaki niya, maging maganda ang kanya future.